Monami, are you humming? No, miss. I'm enjoying the taste of the chocolate muffin. Hello, Monami. Hello, teacher. Hello, friends. Hello, children. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn with Monami. Monami, today we will learn about a very special letter. Which letter? Letter M. Why it is so special? Because M for muffin and M for Monami. Okay, so let's start. This is an uppercase M. What is this, Monami? This is an uppercase M. And this is a lowercase m. What is this, Monami? This is a lowercase m. Good. Do you know, children, every letter has a different sound. Letter M is a consonant and it has a sound. To make you understand it better, here is a story of the little Martymoose. Little Martymoose wanted to learn magic. He requested his mother to allow him to learn magic from the monkey master. Monkey master knew lots of tricks. He could turn a monster into a mushroom, mat into a bat, money into a bunny. Martymoose was a diligent student and he learned the tricks quickly. Finally, one day Martymoose became a magician. He added some music and chanted magic while performing. Thus his dream came true and he became a famous magician. Is the magic word and is the sound of letter M. So now let us sing about the sound of letter M. M is a consonant, it has a sound. 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 Let us say the M sound. Let us say the M sound. As in milk. As in magnet. As in Monami. As in milk. As in magnet. As in Monami. Isn't it fun? It's good to learn. M is a consonant, it has a sound. 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 Let us say the M sound. Let us say the M sound. as in mother. M as in moon. M as in mango. M as in mother. M as in moon. M as in mango. Isn't it fun? It's good to learn. So now let us revise. What is the sound of letter M? As in muffin. As in mango. As in Monami. And as in miss. Alright children. So in our next class we'll learn about letter N. Till then, bye. And please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. Bye friends. Bye. Bye children.